Well, actually, I was outside. I'm gonna show you. It's 1:11 in the afternoon. Ain't that something? He gonna come outside and make a noise. Yeah, true enough, that's his back porch, but you come outside naked, basically, to see what the fuck I'm doing. I sit at the table often. He always makes sure he got to be at the closest point, as close as he can get to me while staying on his property. You see, I'm sitting in the chair, and he's like right there. Always facing my house. Always looking over here. Making noise. And as you can see, he's sitting outside and he's doing absolutely nothing. I just seen him 20 minutes ago. He was outside with fishing poles and he had a shirt on. In front of his house, like going in a car. Just weird ass behavior, man. I can never be outside for a second. I don't go out the front door. I always go out the side door. I know it's kind of hard to make out. He's always there. Just... Now you finna go. Look, why leaving? Whatever. Because I was outside now. I can go back outside. I promise you he'll come back out. So fucking weird. And of course, I always got the revving cars. Just bullshit.